So it's just a winter storm. I mean, it was an expansion, it looks like, unfortunately. But I will stay in here for a moment. I'm gonna flip on the Leeton, see if I can't get it to. See if I can't get any reception over here. I knew it! I freaking knew it! Please! Too late. He failed again. Oh. Additional snow accumulations of 2 to 5 inches. The hazardous conditions if you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/ILN, as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Here is a winter storm warning for the following counties in Kentucky: Lewis and Mesa, and the following counties in Ohio. Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulated. Alright, Island, so apparently you do not tone the winter storm warning for Pickaway County that was issued earlier this morning on KJY68, but apparently you can tone it expanding to Highland County on WXM69. That doesn't make sense, but okay.